let me start with Triti. Triti, how did you feel about the class?
I liked the class. I had fun.
Okay.
It was wonderful.
Okay. Samarth.
I love this class and it's really fun. And I'm looking forward to meet you guys next year. And I'll miss you guys.
Okay, fantastic. So say hi to Saini from our side also. Okay, let me go to Ritvika.
Oh, I like this class very much, and you taught us public speaking in a very fun way. So, I really want to also come next year.
Fantastic. Okay, Aditi.
It was fun. It was nice.
Okay, done. Okay, Ahan.
First, I thought it would be boring, but then when I started coming, I found it interesting, and I'm looking forward to join it next year.
Fantastic. Okay, Yuvraj.
It was a very good class, and we will miss you and all. Thank you.
Okay, Tanya.
It was a very good class. It was a good experience, and I'll come back next year.
Fantastic. Okay, Hassan.
It was really fun, and I loved the class, and I learned a lot about public speaking, and I really want to continue.
Fantastic. Okay, thank you. Rag.
I'm sad that we are parting apart now. I think the class was really good. At the first, I was not so interested, but after I came to the class, I felt that the class was really good.
Thank you. Fantastic. Okay, Pallavi.
It was really fun. I enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to next year.
Okay, good. Arya. Arya, you're muted.
The class was, to say, informative, enjoyable, then gave me confidence to speak. Then what to say? I thoroughly enjoyed it also. And sir, I would also like to thank you, sir. Sir, on behalf of my friends, I would like to extend my thanks to you for the wonderful session. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have given us confidence to speak. We would love to attend more classes by you. Thank you, and looking to connect soon.
Thank you. I suddenly feel like Manoj Veerakumar is talking to me. Okay, Naman.
Yes, sir. Thank God for making my mother join these classes, because at starting I didn't have much interest in speeches. But when I saw that you were the teacher and teaching in a really fun way, I just heard that I should do this class every time, in every second.
Okay.
Thank you for this opportunity, and thank you for teaching me, giving a speech properly. Thank you.
Fantastic. Okay, Haim.
This is the best class ever in the whole world, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Pavani.
I love it. You taught in a very fun way, and it was nice, and I felt happy for joining this class.
Okay, thank you. Nice. Mahalakshmi.
This class, it was so fun. I want to continue this class.
Okay, good. Okay, who's left? Nimai.
I just closed early, and I hope that I can eavesdrop on you again.
Okay. Anybody left out? Anybody has not given a feedback? Who?
So you.
Me. I'm going to come to me.
So
Okay.
you have to say how you felt.
Okay, I enjoyed the class. Okay, honestly, I was not very sure if I am